Hello and welcome to PsyConnect. Ever had that strange moment where you walk into a place, hear something or meet someone and you feel like, wait a moment, it has happened before. The feeling is so strong that you know it's impossible but you still question the reality. That, my friends, is déjà vu, a French term meaning already seen. So what causes déjà vu? Well, psychologists and neuroscientists have a few interesting theories. One of the most widely accepted explanations is a neurological misfire in the brain. Think of your brain as a supercomputer, constantly processing, sorting, and storing information. Usually, your memory system, especially the hippocampus and the temporal lobe, helps you to distinguish between new experiences and past memories. But sometimes this system glitches. Instead of recognizing an event as new, your brain accidentally files it under been there, done that moment, making you feel that you have already lived that moment before. Another explanation is called split perception. This happens when your brain processes something in two steps, but the first step is too brief for you to consciously notice. For example, imagine you are scrolling through your phone while eating and you glance at the news headlines without really paying attention. Later, when you properly read it, your brain recognizes it as familiar, giving you that deja vu feeling. Essentially, your subconscious notices something before your conscious mind fully processes it, creating the illusion of a repeated experience. But wait, there's more. Some researchers believe in the dream hypothesis. Ever had a random dream that made no sense at all? Your brain stores bits and pieces of these dreams in long-term memory, even if you don't remember them. So, when you experience something similar in real life, your brain connects the dots and suddenly you feel like you've already been in that moment before. You probably didn't time travel in your sleep, but your subconscious sure thinks you did. But here's the fun part. Scientists still don't have a definitive answer to why deja vu happens. Some studies suggest that it's more common in younger people, especially with those with an imaginative and active mind. Others link it to the way our brain consolidates memories while we sleep. There are even wild theories about alternate realities and parallel universes, though we will leave that for sci-fi movies. So the next time you get that eerie feeling of wait, I swear this has happened before, don't panic. It's not a proof of past life, not a glitch in the matrix, just your brain playing tricks on you. Or maybe you are stuck in a time loop, who knows. Thank you.